Hi, Jason, Exploring History Together. It's been about 3 months since my last video, and today I am at the Chapman and Stafford and Winters Family Cemetery. I understand there are some previous enslaved folks buried here. One Emma Chapman is buried in here, and other Chapman family members. So we're going to take a look, and I'm also going to take a video at the one-room schoolhouse. It's a little bit down here that Emma was associated with. I don't know if she was a student there or if she actually helped to establish the school. So I'm not sure of that. Maybe we can find that out when we're at the school there. So let's take a look, see what we see here. Looks like there's quite a few stones here. I'm not sure how many of these are marked. Some of them may just be field stones, meaning no names on them. Definitely some impressions in the ground here. Depressions, I should say. Let's see what we got. First burial here was in 1899, and the last was in 1944. Here is Emma Chapman right there, 1857 to 1944. She was the last burial here. Most of these stones, several of them have nothing written on them, nothing visible anymore. But you can definitely see the indentations in the ground. I don't know if you can see that on the camera or not, but it says George Stafford, 1841 to 1914. Louise, his wife. I cannot read the opening date, but the last date is 1914. This is Nancy Chapman, died June 4, 1899, age 64 years, asleep in Jesus, blessed sleep from which none ever awake to weep. The rest of these are simply field stones with nothing readable on them. And while there's a wooden fence here marking the cemetery, it is believed that there are a number of graves outside the fence because of the depressions in the ground that kind of signify that there's a grave, such as this one right here that you can see. I'll just kind of take a quick peek outside the fence. Definitely some depressions that can be seen amongst the leaf piles here. Now, that is the Chapman, Stafford, and Winters Family Cemetery. Again, that's Emma Chapman down there. And we're going to visit the schoolhouse that she was associated with, and maybe we'll learn a little more about her there. That's all. Till the next video, have a great day.